Hi, this is Darlene Tennis for Casa Q, and today we're going to learn how to make a Chipotle Ranch dipping sauce for chicken wings. This is a great sauce to make when you have company over. It's real quick and easy to make. So we're going to get started right now. First, let me show you the ingredients that we're going to need to make this sauce. We're going to have half a cup of light mayonnaise, half a cup of light sour cream, 2 tablespoons of dry ranch dressing mix, 2 green onions, half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh lime juice, and 3 chipotle chili peppers in adobo sauce minced. Like I said, this tasty sauce is so simple and easy to make. You're gonna feel like it's a sin. So we're just putting in the sour cream, the mayo. Don't think about calories, people. And then we're gonna put in the chopped green onions. I'm gonna put in a nice heaping teaspoon. Actually, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the chipotle adobo sauce, and these have been chopped from what you saw earlier. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic in here, and we're just going to whip it up real quick. We're going to mix this all up so it's all mixed up nice and evenly. So here we go, we're just squeezing some lime juice in there. And then we're gonna mix the last 2 ingredients again, which was the ranch sauce and the lime juice. And this is it. We are all done. So this is Darlene Tennis again from Casa Q. You can find the recipe at CasaQ.com, and this is your Chipotle Ranch Sauce for chicken wings.